Hello my friends, I'm Mr.Animag. Welcome to the third video of Animal Magazine. In this video I'm gonna show you top 5 animals that should never be kept as pets. While keeping exotic or wild animals may seem like a good idea, it's important to remember that these animals have specific needs that are difficult, if not impossible, to meet in a domestic setting. Additionally, they can pose serious health, safety and ethical risk to both humans and animals. The first animal on our list is chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent primates that require specialized care and attention. In their natural habitat, chimpanzees live in complex social groups with intricate relationships and hierarchies. They spend most of their time foraging for food, traveling long distances, and engaging in various forms of social interaction such as grooming, playing, and communicating. To replicate this environment in captivity, one would need to provide access to large outdoor spaces, plenty of social interaction with both other chimps and humans, and a specific diet that includes fruit, vegetables, and protein. Unfortunately, many people still try to keep chimpanzees as pets, despite the fact that it's illegal in most places. Not only is this dangerous for humans, but it's also detrimental to the welfare of the chimpanzee, who may suffer from physical and psychological problems due to lack of proper care and socialization. The second animal on our list is venomous snakes. Venomous snakes such as cobras, rattlesnakes, and vipers should never be kept as pets. Even experienced handlers can be bitten, and the consequences can be fatal. Furthermore, these animals are often illegally captured from the wild, which contributes to their declining populations. There are some species of non-venomous snakes that make good pets, but it's important to research the specific needs and requirements of each species before making a decision. Next up at number 3 we have the large predatory cats, such as lions, tigers and leopards. These majestic animals require vast territories to roam, specialized diets and constant veterinary care. They are also highly intelligent and social animals that need mental stimulation and social interaction with other members of their own species. Keeping them in small cages or homes is not only impractical, but also incredibly dangerous. Even if raised from birth by their owners, these animals can still exhibit sexual behaviors that can harm humans. In some cases, they may even turn on their owners once they reach sexual maturity. Now, if you are enjoying this video and learning something new about these amazing animals, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future uploads. The fourth animal on our list is certain primate species such as macaques, baboons and capuchin monkeys. While some primate species can make good pets, others should never be kept in captivity due to their high intelligence, social needs and susceptibility to disease. Monkeys and apes need complex social structures and mental stimulation which are difficult to provide in domestic settings. Furthermore, they can carry zoonotic diseases that can infect humans and cause serious illness. In addition, many of these primates have been illegally captured from the wild, leading to population declines and suffering for the animals. Finally, we have exotic birds such as parrots. While many bird species make great pets, certain exotic species should be avoided due to their specific needs. Parrots, for example, are highly intelligent and social birds that need plenty of space, mental stimulation, and social interaction to thrive. They also require a varied diet that includes fruit, vegetables, seeds, and nuts. Unfortunately, many people keep parrots in small cages with little stimulation or social interaction, which can lead to physical and emotional health problems. Furthermore, some parrot species are endangered due to illegal capture or trade, so it's important to avoid purchasing them from unscrupulous sources. In conclusion, it's important to remember that wild and exotic animals are not meant to be kept as pets. Not only is it illegal in most places, but it's also dangerous and detrimental to both humans and animals. By not giving these animals as pets, we can help protect animal welfare and preserve wildlife populations. We urge you to always research thoroughly before getting a pet to ensure that their needs can be met humanely and ethically. If you want to learn more about how to properly care for animals, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!